If you get a P0455 and maybe an additional P0505 code and gas smell inside the car, your gas light flashing, etc., make sure the purge valve, the hose that goes to the purge valve, this one right here, did not fall off. If it did, that's gonna be an issue anyway, but that's probably the cause of it. Go ahead and plug it back in, but I would suggest putting a hose clamp on, because it happened to me once. I mean, it has a good amount of pressure all around once you put it back in, but somehow it still falls off. Maybe too much vacuum pressure or whatever. Anyway, I would recommend putting a hose clamp on just so it doesn't happen again. So there you go.